When you land here, you're in your events list. So you're going to choose your location and then you're going to select new event. Once you've landed in your event grouping, you're going to notice some name suggestions. This is where it gets tricky. So in our event name for our event grouping, this would be like Sunday gatherings or Sunday worship service. So you would put your date that you're gathering and your name. This is not your Sunday event. This is a grouping of your events. So if you have multiple services, this is the name of all those services. There's also an event active toggle, so you can turn your event on or off, as well as scheduling registration. So you choose your date, your time, you set it. That is the day that it opens, and then there is another calendar for when it closes. I would suggest closing at the conclusion of your last service. That way, as you have guests, you can register them and account for the fact that they attended your service. So you want to save event group, and you notice the new event time button is active. Click new event time.